Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync music beats in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Add the video or photos you want to sync to your music. Then, tap audio at the bottom, select sounds, or import your own via extracted or your files. Then, choose music and hit plus icon to add it to the timeline. Then, tap on the audio track in your timeline, select beats and then tap auto-generate beats. CapCut will now analyze your song and mark the beats with yellow dots on the timeline. Then, zoom into your timeline. Use the yellow dots to guide where you split your clips. Tap a video, then choose split at each beat point. Delete any extra clip portion that don't match up with the beats. Repeat for each beat maker, switching clips at each one. And this is how it looks like. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.